Hi, today I'm reviewing OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to change the lock screen wallpaper, we should first open the settings and then tap to wallpaper and style, then click the wallpaper section and you'll see here the album. So here you can use photo from your device gallery previously taken on the camera or just download it from the internet. Also we can see here just the default wallpapers. Let's use one from these wallpapers. Just click to tap to apply and tap to lock screen. Wait just a second. After that, let's just lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first you should hold for a while the empty space on your home screen and then on the left down corner you'll see the wallpapers icon. Just tap on it and by the same way you should select one from this available wallpapers. You can, if you want, you can use also the live wallpapers or just the default ones. Also let's just click here to inventive wallpapers. You can create your own wallpapers just from the camera or just from here your albums. For example, let's use this photo. Click to OK. And now we can select one from these available wallpapers. For example, let's tap to apply once again and lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.